Today at the Bespoke Motor Company, we're going to dive into the history of the almighty Land Cruiser. The team at Bespoke builds high-end, luxury Land Cruiser Restomods. But where did it all start for the Land Cruiser?
The Land Cruisers basically started after World War II when the Japanese actually recovered a bunch of the old Willys Jeeps and Ford Jeeps off the beaches of the Philippines. And then they kind of took them back to Japan and started looking at the engineering of them and copying them and building their own versions to compete with the Jeep market in the world.
Not only did they compete, but they thrived in a crowded market because of what these 4x4s could do.
The capability of these Land Cruisers is very unique because they're so small. They have a short wheelbase, high clearance off the road or the terrain, so they're more agile than, say, a bigger full-size American-built vehicle, the Ford Bronco, the Chevy Blazers, and vehicles of that stature. The Land Cruiser just a little more agile.
The Land Cruiser developed a cult-like following, not just with off-road enthusiasts, but it became a daily driver favorite. Comfortable for everyday getting around, but gave the driver the confidence that it could handle the elements and be reliable.
The Toyota just made better parts, heavier springs, heavier running gear, just more compatible parts.
And they know parts. Every Land Cruiser built at Bespoke is hand-assembled, built to order, from the frame up. Two-door, four-door, or pickup. With custom high-end components from front to back, the configuration possibilities are endless. If power's what you're looking for, they've got it.
We're using the LS3 Corvette engine. It's 525 horsepower and 471 foot-pounds of torque. There's a little more. You could probably tune them or put turbos on them, but at this point we don't feel we need to.
Next time on Bespoke Motor Company, we're gonna meet Team Bespoke. Jeff Frazier, shop manager. Jeff spent 15 years on the NASCAR circuit. Taco Charles, tech. This man builds his own off-road custom rigs. And Dave, a master CNC machinist, fabricating custom pieces to spec upon order. For high-end, luxury Land Cruiser Restomods, check out bespokemotorcompany.ca.